Hey, has someone ever brought you a challenge? Your wife, your partner, your spouse, your kids, whatever it is. Do you just jump right in and try and solve that problem? Well, I have that problem myself. So here's what I figured out. You need to ask a question when somebody brings you a challenge. The first question you should ask them is, do you want comfort or do you want solutions? You might want to provide comfort first and let them know that it's okay and we'll figure out a way together. It's going to be okay. Because a lot of people want to know that there's comfort before there's a solution. Same thing with yourself. Give yourself comfort first on something. If you come across a challenge, say, you know what, it's going to be okay. I'm going to take care of this. And then you will find solutions. That's your quick win for the day.
If you've enjoyed this content, head over to iTunes or wherever you get your podcasts and subscribe to Start With a Win. We release new episodes every single Wednesday and quick wins every other Friday. Remember, stay awesome, and we'll see you next week.